Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use text to speech on Clipchamp. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open the Clipchamp website. Let's go ahead and do that. So once you have opened up this website, all you have to do is click on sign in, and once you have signed in with your Google account, you'll see this sort of interface. So now let's head on to our project that we have already created. So if you are new on this website, what you have to do is click on this new video and you will be presented with this sort of
video.
interface, and you'll be able
All
to drop
right,
your media file
we
over
can
here.
drag and drop our
Since I
media,
already
so
have
I'm
a
just going to
project, let
open
me
up
open that
my
project over here. Alright, so to use text to speech, what you have to do is on the left hand side you can see various options. Click on record and create, and over here you can see text to speech option. Click on this option over here, and we are presented with some another options. So here you can select your language. So here this is our English, and voice, you can select various voices over here. So I'm just going to select this, and you can hear this voice as well. So you'll be able to type text over here in this manner, and here you can see the maximum duration is 10 minutes, and you can preview this as well. Now let's save it over here, and that's it. So yeah, that is how you'll be able to use text to speech on Clipchamp. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.